What? 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 Out of stock? Are you kidding me? Wow. Signature Swedish meatball smoked salmon salad. Thank you. Whoa. Hi, today I'm here at IKEA because my brother's coming with his baby next week because it's Thanksgiving and I need to buy some baby stuff and I also need to buy myself a bookshelf, so let's shop. This is the first floor. We need to go upstairs. Look at this. This is a signature IKEA restaurant menu. There's a famous Swedish meatball. The second floor is a showroom, and this is where IKEA experience begins. There's a restaurant, and you just need to follow this arrow sign. Grab one bag. These are renewable. 아니야, 그걸 들고 여기다가 거는 거야. There you go. And just follow the arrow sign. Mom says she likes this, so in order to buy this, you just need to take a photo of this tag. It says aisle 2, bin 36, and when you go to the warehouse downstairs, you just need to pick it up from aisle 2 and bin 36. This is a 270 square feet model room. This is how IKEA decorates a small house. Utilizing all the niche spaces. And that's IKEA's business model. There's a cafeteria. This is dessert section. They have lots of cakes, salads, chicken breast. Salmon salad. I think I'm gonna get myself Swedish meatball, which is a signature menu here at IKEA. Hi, can I get a plate of Swedish meatball, please? Thank you. Are drinks separate? $15.27. Thank you. If your meatball is too cold, you can always use microwave here to warm it up. There's so many different teas. Too much sparkles.
Yeah, for sure.
The signature Swedish meatball and smoked salmon salad. Let's eat. Cheers. There's a Swedish meatball with gravy on top. It's very soft, but if you're Korean, you might want to add some of this hot sauce. Here is smoked Swedish salmon. It's It's really good, but I recommend trying it with this pepper. Raspberry 재밌다. This is mom's recipe. Bread, salmon, a salad, the pepper on top. 엄청 스모키한 그런 건 없고 현재가 아주 오래된 것 같지만 when you're done, you just need to return it here. And you're done. We're now halfway through. We have to go downstairs and we really don't need to carry the entire car, so I'm just gonna take this off and walk downstairs. Here you can grab another car. And this is first floor. At the end of the showroom, this is where the warehouse starts. And we need this giant cart so I can pick up some furnitures that are in the box like that. And from this point, I'll take the bag, move it to here. Welcome to IKEA warehouse. Aisle 183. And this is how you find your furniture. We're supposed to go to aisle 1. That's aisle 2. This is aisle 1. Aisle 1, bin number 83. So you see those bin numbers all the way down there to 83. 83. Laiva. Look at this warehouse. This is humongous. So each aisle has a signed number, just like that. And every furniture has a tag like this, which has the aisle number and the bin number. So you just need to take a photo from the showroom and go to that designated spot. The next one, I'm supposed to go to aisle 13. This is aisle 13 for the baby high chair. And I believe it's in bin number 19 and 21. There's 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so this must be the section. Okay, here's 19. So I need to get that baby high chair. What? Out of stock? Are you kidding me? Wow. We have plenty of countertops and and the legs. But the chair's missing? Wow. How come? They all go together 1, 1, 1. How come this one is the only one that's out of stock? This is bad inventory management. Wow. Unbelievable. So unfortunately we didn't get the baby high chair we wanted to get. At least I got my bookshelf, and here we are checking out. In order to make returns and exchanges, just need to come to returns and exchange center and use this machine to get a number ticket. And when your number pops up, you just need to go to the counter and make your returns or exchanges. That's it. Very simple and efficient way of making returns and exchanges. One of the biggest reasons why I come to IKEA is to get the $1 ice cream, non-fat frozen vanilla yogurt cone. It's $1 even. There's no additional tax on top. It's just one single dollar. And look how long this line is every single time I come.
How you doing, sir? Anything else besides? What do you have?
Can I get 2 yogurt cones, please?
$2. Have a good day.
Thank you. Whoa. IKEA vanilla yogurt cone.